How to add clickable links to Canva. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what we're going to do first is I'm going to add an element over here that I want to turn into a clickable link. For example, let's just search another cat option over here, or let's say sunglasses, so that we can have something similar to our element over here. Click on photos, and let's say I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going to put it over here beside our cat. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to right click it and I'm going to click on link. Now I could now enter a link over here, whether it's an external link or an existing link in my project. So for example, this one. And then I could click on done. And now this element over here is a link. You could do it with text. You could do it with the entire photo if you prefer. So now when someone clicks this, it should redirect them to another page, whether it's an internal page or an existing project that you're working on in Canva. So that's basically how you will be able to add a link in Canva. So if you want to be able to use these features and more, click the link in the description below to try Canva Pro for free. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.